Hi, I'm Martin Amato, host of Ion at Home. Whether you're an experienced DIYer or just hanging the occasional picture, make sure your toolkit is stocked so you don't have to worry about having the right tool on hand. Let's start with the claw hammer. It's a versatile tool for pounding in nails and taking them out. Don't eyeball it. A torpedo level is easy to use and helps you keep things straight. Invest in a quality screwdriver set, flathead, crosshead, in all different sizes. That way, you always have the right one. A utility knife is the go-to tool for opening boxes or cutting fabric. I always have a retractable tape measure on hand for planning my next project. A combination of pliers are great for gripping and turning bolts, and good for cutting wire too. Lastly, my personal favorite that I can't be without, the power drill. Now that you've got a handy toolkit, check out IONTelevision.com for some adventurous DIY projects. Brought to you by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Liberty stands with you.